कोविड मामलों पर कर्नाटक के मंत्री दिनेश गुंडूराव ने कहा, कोई चिंताजनक स्थिति नहीं है। कोविड मामलों में मामूली वृद्धि हुई है। अब तक राज्य में कोविड के 35 मामले हैं। हमने एक एडवाइजरी जारी की है।
To be alarmed about, no alarming situation is there. It's a very normal situation. There has been a slight uptick in the number of cases of COVID. In our state, we've had so far this year, up till now, about 35 cases. We've seen a slight increase in the last 15 days. And we have a technical advisory committee which met yesterday, discussed the whole issue, and we issued a advisory to our people that those who have got severe acute respiratory illnesses who are there in the hospitals, they should just get themselves tested for COVID compulsorily, and those who are using immunosuppressant drugs for various illnesses they'll have low immunity, and pregnant women and children, you should be a bit careful when you're going in crowded places. So preferably please wear a mask when you go, because it helps you not only for COVID, for any viral or bacterial infection, it can prevent.
Not compulsory for the mask?
No compulsory for masks, no ban on travel, no restriction on travel, on going out of the city, going out of the state, no restrictions, normal work, normal life, everything is normal, nothing to fear, nothing to be worried about. Government of India also has said, so far totally about 257 cases they have said are being detected in the country, and nobody has got any serious symptoms because of COVID. All mild symptoms are there, so we should not get unnecessarily worked up. My appeal to all public is, see, COVID is endemic. The virus, coronavirus, has become part of our system, like any other virus. So at any given point of time, somebody will have this COVID. The issue is whether there is some new version of it or there is some serious version of it that is happening, and on that we have to act. So we should not think that because there is no positive corona or no cases have been reported, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. It's a permanent part of our life. So don't panic, don't get worried, lead normal lives.
Any special